Well, I have the lovely mascot from Telugu Warriors, Avika Gaur. Avika, how's it going for you?
Amazing. Right now, in this moment, I feel really proud of my best friends, Ashwin and Nikhil. They are both on the strike, and it's amazing. They are my friends, co-actors, and family. So I'm here to support them.
Oh, fabulous. And do you understand cricket? I've been seeing you, you've been avidly watching the matches.
Yes, I do understand cricket. My father is a big fan, so I'm supposed to watch cricket with him. But yeah, CCL is something that I enjoy because I have so many friends from Mumbai team, Punjab team. It's amazing to watch my friends play.
Then is it difficult to kind of side with one team?
It is. Today, it's I think the most difficult day for me because Punjab and Telugu. Ah,
So, tell me something. If you were not with Telugu, which other team would you be with?
Mumbai, because I have, like I said, many friends from.
Punjab is watching, by the way, right now.
That's okay. They are my oldest friends, so they might understand.
Okay, tell me, what do you like? Would you like to play cricket? Would you want to kind of make a women's team and play cricket?
100%. I have been saying this to Vishnu and everybody in the team that you have to have at least 2 female players in the team because I love cricket. I love the way people even get hurt. I like the whole process of it, so I would love to be a part of something like this.
You know, why 2 women players? I think they should have an all-women's team. All actresses.
See, now all actresses I can't guarantee about because there are very few who are okay with getting injured and going all out. So yeah, 2 at least I can say. I know those people. They can be a part of.
Now, since you understand cricket, now tell me who's the ace, who's the king, and who's the jack of your team? Jack being the jack of all trades, the most responsible player.
Ooh, I think that would be Akhil because yes, ace is Akhil because he really knows what he's doing. He has a lot of clarity. When I talk about the Jack, I think Thamar. I think I have a soft corner for him. I think he's a cutie. And I love the way he plays. He enjoys every bit of it. Even when he's just cheering for the team, he's the most enthusiastic one. And the energy is 100% always. So I think him. And then I think Nikhil. I think Nikhil is the king definitely because whenever he plays, he's doing well. So yeah, I'm proud of him.
Well, I think CCL is all about playing together, playing responsibly. That's exactly what A23 stands for. Play together and play responsibly. Thank you, Avika. It was lovely talking to you. And back to the Cubs.
थैंक यू सो मच पॉपी। वहाँ पर अगर आप देखें तो अविका ने कहा था कि एस जो हैं वो निखिल हैं और क्यों नहीं, वही तो तुरुप का इक्का साबित हुए। शॉट यहाँ पर अगर आप फील्डर है पीछे तो फिर उड़ते हुए देखेंगे गेंद को। पाले हैप्पी सिक्स निखिल के बल्ले से। 6 मारना इतना आसान होता नहीं जितना ये दिखा देते हैं, इसलिए इनका चयन हुआ भी है इस टीम में। A23 रीप्ले, स्लॉट में थी गेंद और फिर बाहर भी थी ग्राउंड के, कोई हाफ मेजर्स हैं ही नहीं। खेमे ने तो पूरे तरीके से एंजॉय किया। मैं सुहास वेदम, मेरे साथ धर्मेंद्र जुड़ चुके हैं। स्वागत है 6 के साथ आपका।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। इंतज़ार किया, परिवर्तन के तौर पर ये स्लोअर गेंद था, इस पर उंगलियां फेरी थी। दिमाग भी चलना चाहिए। 6 के बाद 64 पर 1।